Join me as I take on the challenge of boosting my YouTube earnings in just 1 month. Let's see what strategies actually work. As creators, we all know how important it is to focus on our revenue potential. Without a consistent income stream, it's tough to sustain ourselves and continue producing high-quality content that our audiences love. When it comes to monetizing our content effectively, we're often met with a ton of roadblocks. For one, algorithm changes can throw our entire strategy off balance. We work so hard to optimize our videos and build an audience, only to have the rug pulled out from under us when the algorithm decides to shift gears. And let's not forget about the competition. With millions of active creators on the platform, it's getting harder and harder to stand out from the crowd and attract those coveted eyeballs. Another major hurdle we face is the constant pressure to adapt to changing viewer behaviors and preferences. What worked last year might not work today, and we need to be able to pivot quickly in order to stay ahead of the game. And then there's the issue of ad revenue. It's always a gamble, and we can't rely on it as a stable source of income. Not to mention the fact that YouTube takes a whopping 45% of our earnings. It's tough to make ends meet when you're giving almost half of your hard-earned cash to the platform. On top of all that, there's the added pressure of maintaining a consistent schedule and producing high-quality content that resonates with our audience. It's exhausting, both mentally and physically, and it's no wonder that so many creators end up burning out. But despite all these challenges, it's not impossible to succeed on YouTube. In fact, with the right strategies in place, we can not only survive but thrive on the platform. When it comes to increasing our YouTube earnings, there are a few key strategies that can make all the difference. First and foremost, we need to focus on optimizing our video titles, thumbnails, and descriptions. These are the first things that viewers see when they come across our content, and if we don't get it right, we risk losing their attention altogether. By crafting titles that are both attention-grabbing and informative, creating thumbnails that are visually stunning, and writing descriptions that are both concise and compelling, we can increase our click-through rates and drive more traffic to our videos. Another key strategy is leveraging multiple revenue streams. We can't rely solely on ad revenue if we want to make a living on YouTube. We need to think outside the box and explore other opportunities, such as sponsorships, merchandise, and affiliate marketing. By diversifying our income streams, we can reduce our reliance on a single source of income and build a more sustainable business model. And let's not forget about the power of email marketing. By building a loyal list of subscribers, we can promote our products and services directly to the people who matter most. But what if I told you that there's a way to turbocharge your YouTube earnings, even if you're just starting out? I'm about to reveal a powerful tip that can dramatically enhance your understanding of YouTube monetization and lead to increased earnings. Are you ready? Here it is. The key to success lies in understanding your audience's behavior and tailoring your strategy accordingly. By using tools like Google Analytics and YouTube's built-in analytics, we can gain a deeper understanding of our viewers' habits and preferences, and use that information to create content that resonates with them on a deeper level. By doing so, we can increase engagement, drive more traffic to our videos, and ultimately boost our earnings. And the best part? This strategy is scalable. No matter how big or small your channel is, you can use these tactics to supercharge your growth and achieve financial success on YouTube. But here's the thing, it's not a magic bullet that will solve all your problems overnight. It takes time, effort, and dedication to master this strategy, but trust me, the payoff is worth it. So what's the takeaway from all this? In order to succeed on YouTube, we need to be willing to put in the work and adapt to the ever-changing landscape of the platform. By focusing on optimization, diversification, and understanding our audience's behavior, we can increase our earnings and build a sustainable business model. Remember, it's not about getting rich quick, it's about building a long-term strategy that will serve you well in the years to come. Thanks for watching, and I'd love to hear from you in the comments below. What are some of your favorite strategies for boosting YouTube earnings? Do you have any tips to share? Let's get the conversation started.